Let's take a sneak peek at what we are preparing for POWTECH. My name is Barbara and I'd like to take you to our workshop to show you what we are preparing for POWTECH in 2 weeks. As you can see here, our mechanics are building a Flexomix. This machine is used for mixing, instantizing and agglomerating in just a blink of an eye. Our Flexomix technology is used to make chocolate powder, for instance, for vending machines. But it is also the #1 technology to make detergent powder. Did you know that the yearly production of detergent powder using our Flexomix agglomeration technology is sufficient to do the laundry of 150 million households in North America? Want to know all about Hosokawa Micron's powder processing technologies? Join me for a cup of coffee at the Nuremberg Messe in Hall 4A. I'd like to see you there.